Just doing another video to show the kind of customizations you can make to these looms. So this car is EP91 Australian delivered. Only a fuel pump needed because it's a digital dash, so we don't need the speed signal in this case. The speed signal comes from the OEM dash and that'll be removed, so we won't need that. So we only got a single wire here, but this will change depending on what kind of car you have. These are the two standard plugs, and so this is the interior aux plug. And from here, we're using some of the spare inputs and outputs to run. We've got fuel pressure, aftermarket Mac boost solenoid, which is here. I can supply these as well. And in the pack, we've got fittings. You see here, we've got the ignition sub. And in this case, customer has opted for K20 coils, but these can be different. They can be R35 coils or whatever type of coils you want, or the stock ones. Here's the engine bay aux plug, and it's got flex fuel, and the customer will pin this in because they have the connector. I don't have it in stock, and just to get it out the door quicker. And oil pressure temperature plug. It's plug and go. Injectors on this car, we selected US car or EV14s are sometimes called injectors, and again these can be swapped out at any point.